Good YouTube, it's your boy Brax48. Today we is reacting to 3 videos. So like I said, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Please click that notification button. Please click it to notification to always. Please. And please subscribe so you y'all get this dude Dennis jump shot in real life. I actually watch dude Dennis jump shot in real life, how he shoot the ball. I actually made a jump shot on 2K X's real jump shot. So I will drop that tonight at 8 o'clock. So please subscribe if y'all want to go crazy, because me, I went crazy in the rack, man. And I dropped buckets with dude Dennis jump shot. So please subscribe so y'all won't miss that. So like I said, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Y'all heard that Taco Bell lady. Please subscribe to his YouTube channel. Let's get to the video. Oh, and other thing else, I'm using every YouTube jump shot. So like, I'm gonna go to YouTuber like Cash Nasty. You see, I know his jump shot too, so I know what base he got. So I want y'all to please spam, if you a Duke Dennis and Cash Nasty fan, please spam this to him so he can see it, because them two is my favorite YouTube. So yeah, YouTuber. So if you're new to the channel, please like that button, please subscribe, please comment below what y'all want me to react. Like I said, I might not get to react to every video y'all want me to react, but sometimes, most of the time I will. If you're new to the channel, please like that button and please subscribe. Please click that notification bell to always so you get my reaction, because we is dropping the banger. So all you gotta do is comment. All you gotta do is subscribe. All you gotta do is like the video. All I'm gonna do, if you listen to me, I will listen to you. One of my subscribers told me listen to this. And then I got another reaction I'm finna drop. So I'm only doing 2 reaction. I dropped 3, so I did Young Dolph on my other one. So I'm doing 2 more. So please comment. Alright, so my subscriber told me listen to this. So let's get to it.
This is that jammer, go anthem, banana, get it. You got the question, I answer for llama, mama.
Is this Nicki? Oh, I know it's not Nicki, but oh my gosh, she sounds just like Nicki. I love Nicki Minaj. I love her. She sounds just like Nicki. Whoever this is.
This is that jammer, go anthem, banana, get it. You got the question, I answer for llama, mama. I'm better, but better, put your best up, trendsetters, I get the cheddar, chinchillas, feathers, and leathers, 80, the 2 letters, about my bread, so dead if I plan to blame on no hammer.
Oh, this beat is hard, bruh. It sounds like this is the old Nicki, but I ain't know if they remixing Nicki or what. This is fire, bro.
Your bets up, trendsetters, I get the cheddar, chinchillas, feathers, and leathers, 80, the 2 letters, about my bread, so dead if I plan to blame on no hammers. Long weave out the limo, nana, they want my photos and pictures inside of they candid cameras. Bloggers, critics, and scandals, manhandle savage, I damage a real bitch all day. Uptown, Broadway, real bitch all day. Uptown, Broadway, that cannon, could damn you, your auntie, nanas, and grandmas.
This beat is hard. Is like 2 artists or no, that's gotta be one. It's one.
On Broadway, real bitch all day, uptown Broadway. That cannon, could damn you, your auntie, nanas, and grandmas. They all jam in the jammer. Come join in them, put your hands up, let's go. Cabanas, all my feet, it was handsome. The mules with the bezels, I bought them to spoil the fellas. These bitches in they bands up, fuckers up with the grammar. They never talking money, I can never understand them. That cutie, man beauty, that juicy, who truly back Toolies, Uzis, and Gucci's, you fruity, tooty, and booty. Don't make me remove your goofy, I do it cause it's my duty. Crazy.
I love females rappers. Bruh, that fruity flip, bro. Oh my god.
You goofy, I do it cause it's my duty. Crazy and kinda spooky, you woozy, step up your coochie. Rude bitch all day, uptown Broadway. Rude bitch all day, uptown Broadway. All of my bitches bougie, designer, vagina, coochie. These niggas all kinda groupies, they flying, they trying to scoop me. Reefer in cabanas, all my vehicles handsome. The mules with the bezels, I bought them to spoil the fellas. These bitches in they bands up, fuckers up with the grammar. They never talking money, I can never understand them. Reefer in cabanas, all my vehicles handsome. The mules with the bezels, I bought them to spoil the fellas. These bitches in they.
Bruh, okay, I need to start listening to her more. Okay. I'm getting a lot of fans over here about her, bro. Like the video if y'all the bigger what's her name? Banks. We just gonna call her Banks. Like the video, you a Banks fan, cause I know I got a lot of comments about her.
Handsome, the mules with the bezels, I bought them to spoil the fellas. These bitches in they bands up, fuckers up with the grammar. They never talking money, I can never understand them. Get that, split that, make them spin that, grip that, flip that, make your chip that. Real bitch all day, uptown Broadway. Real bitch all day, uptown Broadway. Get that, split that, make them spin that, grip that, flip that.
Bro, I swear to God, bro, what is she trying to do? Remix Nicki Minaj song? Like, bro, this is crazy. Man, this is crazy, bro.
Make this and that, flip that, make the chips that go.
That's the end of the, I guess that's the end of the video. So please like that button. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Subscribe, bro. Please. Please subscribe. All you got to do, like the video, subscribe, and comment below. Actually, 4 things you need to do. You need to like the video, subscribe, comment below who you want me to react. I am reading comments, so please comment who y'all want me to react, and please click that notification bell so you can get it always. I listen to my fans. All you gotta do, listen to me. And please, if you are a 2K fan, like I said, I'm doing 2K in reaction. So I'm not going to react to videos all the time. I'm doing 2K. I'm putting 2K and reaction all in one channel. So please, please, please subscribe, because I'm dropping Duke Dennis jump shot in real life, and I've been dropping buckets and going crazy in the rack. So please, please subscribe. It's your boy Brax 48. I'm out.